Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw kerropi, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. First, let's get started by drawing in our eye. So leaving a gap in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that left eye. Let's move across, leaving a gap, and on the right hand side, let's replicate that. Now on the inside corner of both eyes, we're going to draw in another circle. Now the top left-hand corner of both eyes, we're going to draw in a smaller circle for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in our eyes black. Now right in the middle, let's draw in the letter V for the mouth. And then moving beside that, below the eye, let's draw in another circle for the cheek. Right in the middle here now, we're going to curve this line up, following the shape of the eye, tucking that in on the side. And then now for the cheek, we're going to round this out from this corner, curving this around, flattening that out as we come in towards the middle. Now let's move over. For the headphones, we're going to curve this line around and down on the left. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Moving up, we're going to curve this line down. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side as well. Now let's move up. On the left hand side, we're going to curve this line up and in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right hand side, bringing this up and then in, flattening that out in the center. Now let's come across and we're going to draw in two small diagonal lines coming up. Now let's draw in the star. So right in the middle here, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. And then moving beside that, let's replicate that again, curving this out and then back up. Now coming up on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line out and then back through. And then again on the right hand side, bringing this out and then back in. Now on the top, we're going to bring this line up and down on the right. Let's continue to close off the top of the headphones now. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line out and then down. And then right in the center, we're going to flatten this out, curving this over from star to star. Now let's come down. For the torso, we're going to curve this line around and in. To the right of this, we're going to arch this out. Now let's close off the overalls here. So we're going to curve this line out, leaving a gap on both sides. And then we'll close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Right in the middle, we're going to draw in a circle. And then to the right of this, we're going to curve this line across. Now on the bottom here, let's arch this line out on a diagonal. On the top, let's continue to curve this line over. And then we're going to close this off on a diagonal. Let's draw in a straight line to come across. And now we're going to draw in the collar underneath. So we're going to draw in a curved line. Let's draw in a small heart here on the left. So on a diagonal, we're going to draw in a small heart. Now let's close off the foot here. So we're going to, in the middle of this, bring this line up and then down for the center of the foot. To the right of this, we're going to bring this line out, around, and then in. And then above this, we're going to again curve this line up, down, and then in. Let's close off the ankle here. So we're going to curve this around and through. Let's curve this up. And then we're going to bring this across towards the left. Now from here, we're going to curve 2 lines coming down on the outside and the inside. And then we're just going to flatten this out by bringing this line across. Now on the left-hand side, bringing this out and in. Again, moving across, bringing that out, back in. And then again, one more time, bringing this over and up. Let's flatten this out, bringing this line across. And then we're going to curve this line down. And then we're going to scoop this line over and then back through on the left-hand side. Now from here, let's draw on the arm. So we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line in. And then now let's move up. We're going to draw in 2 curved lines for the stripe here. And let's move up again one more time. Now for the hand, we're going to bring this line out and in. Again, in the center, bringing this line up and across. And then one more time as we come out, tucking that back in on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw kerropi. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.